Hi, I'm Anna from WTI. Do you guys have a small business and you're looking for something for your customers to receive their merchandise in? Well, we found these super fun in a nice, beautiful print, and they are from the brand Ysmile. And this is from a white lace, if you notice that. Very nice, transparent, and additionally has this nice texture up here in the handle, where you guys can package your items. We used it for our boutique. We packaged our items in there. Now these come in a 50 quantity, so they're very good size and amount for your business ordering. So let's see how you guys can package your items with ease. All right, so these are merchandising packaging bags. As you can see, really pretty. We're going to package the item of the customer that they bought. You can slide it in with ease. And there you have it. The package is ready for delivery. There you have it. So something fun. So when our customers get their merchandise, it's not just in the simple plain bag, but rather in this white lace print. Again, and it's nice cut up here in the handle. Our customers enjoy it. We have fun packaging our orders for our customers, and I know you guys will too. And that is my point of view.